What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I am here with a very, very, very special, to me, unboxing. This shipped from somewhere in Canada, Quebec, Canada, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. I've been wanting this for a long, long time. No, not my trusty knife that I'm trying to get open. It's not that trusty, apparently. As always, thanks for watching my videos. If you haven't seen any of my other unboxings, I've done thousands of other unboxings. This one is a wrestling related one. There we go. I can't believe I finally have this. If you're watching this, you already know what it is. But I'm going to be very, very careful opening this up. This is something I don't purchase DVDs much anymore. But this is one that has been on my list for a long time. Oh my God. Oh, this is Holy Grail. This is absolutely the rarest TNA Impact Wrestling, whatever you want to call it, DVD there is. This is one of the rarest, and it's kind of loose already. Yeah. This disc was loose, but thankfully it's alright. It looks okay. So this is disc 2. So in the hierarchy of collecting, people collect things like DVDs. People collect action figures, loose, mint, whatever. But I have been an active DVD collector for several years, VHS before that and everything. I know it's kind of a dead medium, or media, whatever you want to call it, but I absolutely have been I've been a collector. I'll just say that, and I've been wanting to have a complete collection of wrestling for a long time. I love wrestling. I'm a huge, huge, huge fan of it, and I finally have this. This is I don't know the official number. I don't know if it was just like a TNAshop.com, which is now ImpactShop, I think .com. I don't know the official number. But all I know is that I finally have it. But this is absolutely one of the rarest DVDs there is. Can you think of a more rare wrestling DVD than this? I don't know the number. I would assume there's only maybe 500 to 1,000 prints. I don't know. Do you know? Leave a comment and let me know if I'm wrong. But this is, K-Dog, Conan, BG James, Road Dogg, and R-Truth, K-Quick, I believe. Yeah, it's The Truth, BG James, and Conan. The total 3 live crew experience, over 3 hours of the best. It's just one of these things. I never thought I'd actually own it, but I finally do. Currently, the only one on eBay is selling for $1 less than $300, $299. I didn't spend that much, and I don't plan on really selling this at the moment. Someone would have to honestly pay me somewhere around that for me to sell it, because this is such a rare DVD. But if you have it and you want to sell it to me for about $100, let me know. I'll pay you $100 for a second copy. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Do you own this? What's your rarest DVD, VHS, Blu-ray that you have? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Appreciate it. Have a great day.